We're at 15507 Sugar Ridge Lane in Flint, Texas. You've got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, over 2,400 square feet. Let's go take a look.
Step into this open concept kitchen where you can easily entertain guests with an abundance of countertop space, updated finishes throughout like stainless steel appliances, and a beautiful view into the backyard.
So with a split master floor plan, you basically got this whole side of the house to yourself. You've got a beautiful accent wall in the bedroom, but you gotta see the bathroom.
Come on out into the backyard where you've got a half-acre lot, a very quiet setting, and the perfect place to stargaze on those summer nights. Once you finish your juicy burger at the Blue Store,
Come check out our newest listing at Sugar Ridge Lane. It won't last long.